Hi, I'm Sam with Mr. Landscaper, and as you add plants and trees and shrubs to your garden, we're going to show you how easy it is to expand your Mr. Landscaper system to water those plants. As you expand your vegetable garden, we have a coupling that is inside the kit that will allow you to add more tubing. And we sell our tubing in 50-foot coils and 100-foot coils. And that way you can simply take this coupling and just connect it to your existing drip irrigation system that's in your vegetable garden. There's 100 feet of the inline drip tubing inside each kit. You can add up to 300 to 400 more feet, and we sell it in coils of 100 feet. With our micro sprinkler kits, you can add up to 45 more of the stake assemblies. And the reason why is because the flow control devices that we have on each stake keep everything consistent all the way down the line. And that's why it allows you to add that much more. To learn more about how to expand your micro spray and drip irrigation system, click on the link below.